Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Start by opening your account or profile settings now. Go straight to the name, display name, or nickname section. Once there, you'll see current values. Read them. You're checking for permission to edit and any policy note. Make sure you have the right role if this is a work account. If you don't, request access from your admin. Keep a short, professional nickname prepared because you'll apply it in the next step. Now edit the nickname field. Type the name exactly as you want it to appear. You'll often pick whether it shows in from or profile display. Choose accordingly. Once typed, preview how messages will look. Use any built-in preview or send a test message to yourself. When you save or apply, watch for confirmation banners or error messages. If the system asks to verify, follow the verification step. After saving, check inbox headers to confirm the new nickname displays correctly. Finish by sending several test emails to different accounts to confirm the new nickname displays externally. Make sure to test web, mobile, and another mail provider. If you don't see the change, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or wait up to 24 hours for propagation. Corporate directories can take longer. If it still fails, check for policy restrictions or contact your admin or support. That's single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.